Today we're going to talk about the GoPro Casey case. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this and just showing what you're getting and basically some preview of what I feel about this product. Before I start, if you can hit the subscribe button on the right side bottom corner to subscribe to my channel. Please leave me some comments. If you like this video, please hit the like button. So let's begin. So right here, as you can see, is the Casey case. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. As you can see in the picture, it's divided with 4 Velcros and 1 large one. Now, basically with this, the key features it says is that it's customizable interior with adjustable compartments. Basically, it's the Velcro pieces that are in here. It comes with removable pouch stores, batteries for micro SD cards, and more. And basically, I'm going to be unboxing this, so let me go ahead and do that. So first, when you buy it, it comes like this. There's actually a string that hooks up to it, to this piece in here, so that, people can't take it out. But I cut that piece out so we can just move quicker on the video. So let me go ahead and take this out. So boom, you remove this piece, which is your case, the sleeve for it. And then right here, you have your GoPro. This is the front of it. Just remove this piece, some tape here that they had earlier on it. And then this is the back of it. So the back is kind of like a plasticky, very nice touch on it, type of plastic. It feels more like kind of like a smooth leather, but actually kind of a bit harder. And in the front, it's just kind of like a line where you run through it, it's, kind of bumpy. So that's kind of the texture that you're getting. So let's open this. This zipper, there's 2 zippers, one on top, one on bottom, they close. So you can actually have the zipper at any position around the case. So once you open it, this is what you're getting. You're getting the Velcros here, there's 4 of them. And then 1 large one, which is the strip across. And then you get the special bag in here, which is ideal for batteries or SD cards. This one is more like a crunchy one, which you can actually just crumble it. And this right here, you cannot. It's very durable. Now, one of the things that I really like about this is that not only can you use it for GoPro, but you can actually use it for a lot of other things. So for example, if you want to actually put your collection of watches or jewelries or anything else that you would like to put in here, or even the minifigures, So a lot of things actually work because you can actually adjust this to any alignment that you like. Now in here, you get this cover here, which is kind of a flex, stretchable material for you to be able to put this pouch. So let's take a look at the pouch. So this pouch, once again, has the GoPro logo on the bottom. Has a zipper that just goes across one direction. Lock it the opposite direction. Boom, right there. Let's open it back up. Inside, you have plastic. So a lot of protection in here. This one also has a zipper on top. Open, boom. Piece right there. And you can also close it. Boom. So that's pretty much it. This thing does not come out, this white piece inside. It's actually sewed on to this piece right here. Now, one of the reasons I bought this is because I'm planning to take a trip, and I felt like this, GoPro, definitely the box itself, is really, really, really great products. There's also this 2 latch here that's on this soft one. And basically these 2 latches I can see as something of maybe using this bag. If you're not going to use it for your SD card or your batteries, you can probably use it for some other stuff. Just latching out in the front of your waist when you're camping or you're doing your outdoors. So I can see that, like, running it through your belt. Now, as you can see here, there's these Velcros. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove one of these Velcros. So you remove these Velcros. Notice that? They're very sticky, and then they're interchangeable. You can move in any direction. So you can actually stick it here on the bottom. Boom, it sticks right there. Stick it right here. It's not going to fall. Nothing falls out even with that hard hit. So that's the great thing about this Velcro. So one ideal thing that I see myself using is not using all these Velcro. I may just actually probably use 3 of them. Kind of like with the picture, you know. I may have this one right here. Remove the middle one. I don't need this. I can actually just see myself doing more like this. So what I'll do is put my GoPro here. I might put some wiring here, you know, and then also, or maybe a stick, you know, selfie stick, which I can expand. And then right here, power for miscellaneous stuff. So what I would do. Now, one of the other products that GoPro also has is the Adventure Kit, which is very similar. It also gives you this free box, but it's a little bit smaller. And the box itself, it doesn't have this nice kind of like plastic on the bottom. It's just, the entire one is just kind of this texture all around. I kind of like this box much better. I like the smoothness on the bottom. But I can also, I just feel this is a bigger box. So, I mean, I don't know if you've seen the Adventure Kit one, but that one's a little smaller. But they both actually have these Velcros, you know, so you can actually use these any you know, whichever way you want to configure it. So once again, this bag, you know, it doesn't have to always be in here. It's really up to you. Like, you know, like my GoPro 8, I'll probably just leave it in this box when I do some traveling. There is a handle that's here too. So this handle is pretty sturdy. And then, you know, I may put some other stuff in, like a selfie stick, like I said, that will work on there. There is a difference in price, you know, from the Adventure Kit. I know with this one is a bit more expensive because it's bigger and also has larger, you know, opening, and then just even the texture is different on the bottom than it is with the Adventure Kit. This one, it probably costs you like $50 US dollars. This one right here. So just know that. You can put your mounts, your accessories kit, and you can put your cameras. And you know, you have these Velcros. So let's take a closer look at these Velcros. They're very sturdy. These are kind of like to protect whatever you're putting in there, whether it's your GoPro camera or whether it's your mounting sticks. It doesn't scratch any of your stuff. These Velcros will just stick to the sides or the bottom or the top of the cover. So you don't know how you want to do it. Very flexible. One great thing I can see that I would use this for, not only from camping, but I can see I can use it on a daily, everyday use too. I can see like if I'm driving and I just want to carry something, whether it's my phone or, you know, it's anything that's electrical, or maybe like my earbuds, Apple earbuds, anything like that. You know, this is a very good case, very sturdy. The bottom texture, as I mentioned before, it's very different from the Adventure Kit. So if you ever had a Beats, those headphones, and you had one of those cases that you put your the Beats headphone in there, very similar texture. This one right here. So as you can see right here, this is your GoPro Casey case, which, you know, allows you to put cameras, mounts, accessory cases. So it's very good. Let me know on the feedback if you have one of these and you've been using it. Let me know what you think. Also, leave me a like if you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the bottom right. If I had to grade this for $50, if it's the value-wise, I would probably give it an 8. I see myself, because I do use my GoPro going outdoors, and I see that this kit, this box, would be very valuable to me, just the durability that I see from it. This right here, maybe not as valuable to me. I'm not sure if I would use this because it's so, you know, you can just squeeze on it. But I can see some value on it as putting my wallet in here. when I'm like going to the safaris. So I can do that. So that's my unboxing of the GoPro. And, you know, let me know. Thank you.